Assalamu alaikum. We warmly welcome you to Al Azhar International Islamic School and Hifaz Madrasa. We are a British curriculum based English medium school and Hifaz Madrasa offering residential facilities. Admission is now open for the 2026 2027 academic session. Our institution provides well organized and modern classrooms, a precious playground, a dedicated kids zone, a safe and nurturing residential environment. We believe that the true success of future generations lies in the beautiful integration of Islamic values and modern education. Our goal is to provide students to become responsible, knowledgeable, and capable citizens of the future world. We are committed to shaping your children's bright future. Our mission is to develop each student's intellectual ability and moral character through the balanced education of Deen and Dunya. Enroll now and secure your child's future with us.